Hello, and thank you for watching our market alert video for today, which is July 12, 2024. I am Ken Moraif. I'm the founder and CEO of Retirement Planners of America. And as you guys may know, our singular goal is to create as many SCWPers as we possibly can. And if you don't know what a SCWPer is the acronym for Second Childhood Without Parental Supervision. So we want our clients, when they retire, to go play, have fun. We call them a SCWPer at that point, and we want them to go and SCWPer their little tails off all over the place. So our website is RPOA.com. So this week's kind of interesting. We got the CPI numbers come in, and the CPI came in lower, which normally you would think would be good news, but when it came out, the stock market tanked and the bond market shot through the roof. Well, why did that happen? You would think that inflation coming down is a good thing, right? It's what the stock market wants. The Fed's going to lower interest rates. That's good. Why did the stock market tank? Well, the reason is as we've been saying for many months now, maybe since we've been able to say it, is that the stock market does not care about inflation, employment. It cares about profits, also known as earnings. So what it wants to see is good earnings, good profits. You know, I've used this example before. If you have the Great Depression, but you have a company that's making money during the Great Depression, their stock probably is going to go up. On the other hand, you could have a company that is their profits are falling through the floor in a time of boom where everybody's doing great, the economy's soaring, their stock will probably fall. So the stock market cares about profits. And on that particular day, on Thursday, when the CPI, the inflation number was announced, we had a bunch of bad earnings reports. And so the market said, earnings are bad. I don't care about inflation anymore. I care about earnings. Now, over time, profits are affected by inflation and unemployment and recessions and all those kind of things, for sure. But the bottom line is it's profits. So as we look into the future, what do we think's going to happen? Well, our view is that the economy seems to be okay, jobs seem to be okay, and we may actually be heading for the proverbial soft landing, right? Where people don't lose all their jobs, but inflation comes down, the economy slows. That seems to be what's happening. If that's the case, then pretty much everything will do well, okay? The stock market will do well. Certainly the bond market has been soaring, as we said that it would at the beginning of this year. We said the moment the Fed is going to start lowering interest rates, we should do very, very well in bonds, and that's actually what's starting to happen. And we actually believe that in the second half of this year, the bond market should actually do better than the stock market. So we'll see if that happens, but that's our view. But the stock market should do well also. So overall, things are looking pretty like we thought they would and pretty good. We always believe, though, that no matter how good things look at the time, it is important to have a strategy to protect yourself against the downside, because the downside can come when you least expect it. It always seems to. And our strategy is called Invest and Protect. It's the strategy that told us to protect our clients during the stock market crash of 2008. We were out for that entire year. And then it also, we counseled our clients to be out for that entire year. It also told us to sell the day before the pandemic was announced, and you know how much the market lost after that. And in April of 2022, when the inflation scare came, and you know how much the market went down after that as well. So our goal, because we work with people who are over 50, who are retired or retiring soon, our goal, I think, should be your goal, which is to have a strategy to protect yourself on the downside. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep that matters. So, looks good, have a plan. Overall, we think the rest of this year should be okay. So thanks for watching this video, share it with your friends, and we'll talk soon.